Hey all, here I'm back with another video. So today we are going to talk about a few brand names that we often pronounce wrongly. We just can't say that we have been pronouncing this word in a wrong way because there's a proper nouns and proper nouns doesn't hold any specific pronunciation. So we can just say that today we are going to talk about some widely accepted pronunciation form for this brand names. So the first word it is supposed to be pronounced as Versace. It is not Versace, it is Versace. Here comes the second word. It is Pocha. It is not Poch or Pochi. It is Pocha. So this word, it is supposed to be pronounced as Nike, not Nike. It is Nike. Now this one, these are some of the car brands that we are going to pronounce today. So yes, this word, it is Volkswagen. Volkswagen, not Volkswagen. So the letter V will be replaced by the letter F. So it is pronounced as Volkswagen. Now this one, it is pronounced as Renault. Renault, not Renault, Renault. Now this one, it is Chevrolet. Chevrolet. It is not Chevrolet, it is Chevrolet. Now this one, it is Adobe. It is not Adobe, it is Adobe. Now this word needs to be pronounced as Del Monte. This is a ketchup brand and it is pronounced as Del Monte. Now this one, what is this? It is Van Heusen. Van Heusen. These are some of the outfit brands and there are some pants, shirts from this brand. So now what is this? It is Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. It is not Louis Vuitton. It is Louis Vuitton. Yes, that's what it is supposed to be pronounced as Louis Philippe. Louis Philippe. Now what is this? It is ASOS. It is not ASOS. It is ASOS. And this is one of the commonly heard brand name, I would say. You might have some gadgets out of this brand. Adidas. It is Adidas. It is Adidas. Now this word, it is what? Yes, it is Gucci. Gucci. So these were some of the brand names that we are trying our best to pronounce as the widely accepted form. So ajile mane. Thank you.